Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robert, and this evening I will be showing you how to pin a folder to your taskbar in Windows 11. You normally in Windows you do have the option like pin programs to your taskbar for easy access, but this evening I'm going to be showing you how to create a folder that you can pin to your taskbar directly. So I will get started with that process in the window. The reason that I'm showing you in a Windows 11 virtual machine as opposed to Windows 10 is because while the process is virtually identical for a Windows 10 machine, and this will work in Windows 10, there is one additional step in Windows 10 that I wanted you to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my my file explorer. We're going to go to C, temp, and again, this is a folder structure that I created just for the purpose of this tutorial. But you will see here that I've created a quick launch menu, and this is often convenient to use, like if there's programs that you like to launch, or if there's websites that you like to visit, that if there's something you want to conveniently launch, you can do so from in here. But I've just put a couple of programs in here and a couple of websites, like the Weather Channel, just for demonstrative purposes, and for programs, I put Malwarebytes and then another program I use called Any Video Converter, which I may get into what that is in another video. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to pin this particular folder to your taskbar. If we go to back to the root of where the quick launch folder is, I'm going to right click on it, and then go to show more options, and then I'm going to click on create shortcut. A lot of the times the file name will be the same, but how we can tell which one is a shortcut is by under type, it's going to say shortcut. And you will notice that if we click on the shortcut and if we don't do anything to this shortcut, if we right click on it and then click on show more options, the only option you have is to pin to start with this by default. You do not have the option to pin it to the taskbar, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to, and I apologize, I'm having trouble with my mouse, but I'm going to right click on the shortcut again. I'm going to go to show more options, properties. You can also click on the properties menu back there, but next to target where it says the file path of the folder, C temp quick launch, I'm going to make sure that I'm at the beginning of this file path. I'm going to type the word explorer and then put a space. And then I'm also going to change the icon just to make this stand out a little bit more and make it easier to see, so I don't confuse it with a regular File Explorer icon. So I went ahead and changed the icon, added the Explorer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Apply, and then OK. And now if I right click on this, and like I said, you can once again make that change also here through Properties, but I'm going to hit Show More Options now. And then you will see that we now have the option, in addition to pinning to start, we now have the option to pin to taskbar. And I'm going to go ahead and hit pin to taskbar. And you will see that icon pin come straight down there that I just made. And if we hover over it, you will see that it says quick launch because that's what we called the icon. But if we click on this, it's going to open up that same menu of programs that I showed you from earlier. But this is just a useful tutorial on how to pin a shortcut to a folder directly to your taskbar in Windows 11, because that is not by default an option, but that's a workaround that you can use for pinning it straight to your taskbar instead of having to create a shortcut and pin it to your start menu if you prefer to have it on the task bar. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video tutorial useful. And like I said, the only reason I showed it to you in Windows 11 is because of that additional step that you have to do, the show more options and then pin to taskbar as opposed to pin to start. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.